Here we are back at Cam's OTW Cards, sports cards and memorabilia, located in Evansville, Indiana. We're getting ready to do our 2011 Exquisite Football collection. See what we get. Okay, our first card is a Brian Bosworth, number 48 of 75. Our next card is a Ryan Tannehill, numbered 63 of 99. Nice patch auto of Randall Cobb, numbered 100 of 135. We got a rookies bookmarks, DeMarco Murray and Dwayne Harris. Dual patch, numbered 26 of 40. A Tim Brown, numbered 8 of 45, silver. A really nice Jake Locker, numbered 75 of 75. Endorsements. And a masterpiece Bernie Kosar, number 2 of 25, auto booklet. And that was our one box of 2011 Upper Deck Exquisite Collection. We hope that you enjoyed what we just got out of our boxes, and we will see you guys in the future.